Hello everyone. Welcome to the episode number 32 of Q&A series with Suresh GP. Today we are going to talk about a question that we received from one of your viewers about how do you go about in doing DevSecOps certification. As you know, over the last 8 years, I have been involved in consulting, coaching, and training people all around the world on various aspects of security. And when you look at DevSecOps, and if you are interested to start your journey on DevSecOps, I would strongly recommend you to do the DevSecOps Foundation and Practitioner certification of the DevOps Institute. Now let's talk about what does the DevSecOps Foundation certification mean. Now DevSecOps Foundation is a 2-day certification course by the DevOps Institute. Now what are some of the course objectives of the DevSecOps Foundation? You get to understand the purpose, benefits, concepts and vocabulary of DevSecOps. You understand how DevSecOps security practices differ from other security approaches, business-driven security strategies and best practices, understanding and applying data and security sciences, how to integrate corporate stakeholders into DevSecOps practices, how to enhance communication between DevSecs and Ops teams, and how DevSecOps roles fit with the DevOps culture and organization. Now, who can attend this course? Anybody who is interested in learning about DevSecOps strategies and automation can be a part of this course. So you could be a compliance team, you could be a business manager, you could be a DevOps engineer, you could be an IT manager, you could be a Scrum Master, you could be a software engineer, you could be a solution architect, you could be a tester. Irrespective of what role you play, if you are very keen to take up those best practices around DevSecOps, then you should definitely attend this DevSecOps Foundation course. Now, what are the different modules that we cover as part of the DevSecOps Foundation course? Number 1, how to define DevSecOps outcomes. Number 2, what is the cyber threat landscape look like? Number 3, how to build a responsive DevSecOps model. Number 4, how do you integrate the various DevSecOps stakeholders, their mindset, and see how we can deliver business value. Number 5, establishing DevSecOps best practices. Number 6, how do you get started with best practices? Number 7, we talk about DevOps pipelines and continuous compliance. And finally, we talk about how do we learn using outcomes. Now, what is the benefit of doing this DevSecOps Foundation course? As I coach and consult organizations globally, every organization is asking people to have a foundation level knowledge for them to be quite appropriate in the role they play. As you are aware, there is a lot of different threats and vulnerabilities that keep on coming as the cyber threat landscape changes. So how are we going to make competent staff who take charge and get those foundation level knowledge so that they can apply what they learn into actual practice? Now, why do you need to take this DevSecOps Foundation with TaUB Solutions? TaUB Solutions is a consulting and coaching company that focuses on delivering IT management best practices. Because we are practitioners, we have hands-on experience in implementing different aspects of DevSecOps. So during the 2-day course, we would be able to offer you rich guidance, templates, case studies, scenarios that you can get a wealth of knowledge from our lead trainers and consultants and take it handy to go there and implement it in your workplace. In addition, you also get a certification once you complete the multiple choice questions and get yourself DevSecOps Foundation certified. I hope you will take advantage of the DevOps Institute DevSecOps Foundation and click on the link below if you would need yourself to sign up for the upcoming DevSecOps Foundation course. I look forward to seeing you in our next episode of Q&A series. Until then, keep watching and post your questions if you want us to address all your questions as part of the Q&A series. Thank you very much.